Hey everyone, how y'all doing? Got another unboxing video for you, and this is a knife from Asher Knife Company, and I just got this, it just got delivered, so I thought we'd open it up, and let's get to it. I saw a couple videos, I saw a couple on Lefty EDC's channel, and Tier 1 gear and EDC reviews, and what's inside? Nothing. So, this is the box. No, it doesn't even say what it is. Well, anyways, let's get this thing open. Oh, I used the Finch Holiday to open it. I've been carrying this a lot. Really like this one. So, I did a first impressions video on this. Be on the lookout for a review video. But let's check this one out. Again, another box that's really nice box. It's tight fitting that I cannot open. Here we go. So, this is the Flashback. Like I said, I saw a couple videos on this and I thought it looked awful cool. So, I ended up getting one. First off, it's pretty lightweight. Yeah, let's check it out. Gray G10 handles. G10 backspacer, looks like natural G10. It's just a little different color. I like it. But yeah, this is it's called the Flashback. It's kind of traditional looking. Let's open this thing up. Yeah. I do like that blade shape. Clip point, stone wash. It's a 3-inch blade. It is 12C 27N steel. First knife I have with this steel. I'm sure it's a good, budget user steel. Snap 14C28N, which I really like. So we'll see how it works. It is sharp. I got any kind of regular paper out here. Let's tear a page on my little notebook. Feels awful sharp. Yeah, it slices good. Might be a little toothy. I don't know if we can get a close look at it. Yeah, it's a little toothy. Probably strap it. I can see a little paper sticking to it. But albeit it is sharp. Feels fairly thin behind the edge. Pretty thin blade stock. And my caliper, the battery in my calipers are dead, so can't measure it right now. Lockup is good. No blade play. Drop shutty. Not really. It's a little shake shut, but it is smooth. Yeah, the detent's good. Flipper action is, yeah, that's good. Yep. It'll break in a little bit. Yeah, it's shake shut. It's not drop shut. Yeah, it feels good in hand. I like it. Got about 4-inch handle on it. I get all four finger grip. Pocket clip, I don't feel it. Let's look at the pocket clip. Steep carry, pretty almost fully deep. Got a little tiny bit sticking up. Nice deep pocket carry clip. Good tension. See how it goes in sweatpants. Nice. No issue with that. Blade centering is... Man, it's about as close to center as you're gonna get. Now Lefty, he could Spidey flick it using that fuller. I can't do it. Yeah, it's got like a nail nick, a little fuller, like a nail nick. Kind of, I don't know. It reminds me of like a buck 110 or something. The blade shape. But yeah, look at the stone wash. That's pretty nice. I like that. Their logo's cool. Asher knives. Got the blade steel printed right there. So I don't mind that. That looks fine. I don't mind that on the blade. That's back where I think it should be. I like to see the blade steel back. I don't like it way up here. But overall, fit and finish on this thing's good. Now, the kicker of this is a pretty nice knife. And it only costs $39.50. Now I got it 10% off because I watched Lefty EDC's video and I used his code and I got it for $35.55. Free shipping. Came in a couple of days. Asher's out of Pittsburgh, which is like 4.5, 5 hours away from where I am. I've been to Pittsburgh several times. So yeah, I got it real fast. Now, like tier 1, he dyed his scales black, and that looks really nice. And I thought, I didn't think I'd like the gray scales, but I really do. It's like the only gray knife I have. But we can do some size comparisons, couple, so you get an idea how size of it. There's a Benchmade bug out, full size. Just a little bit smaller. Got all kinds of stuff on that blade. About the Civivi Elementum. This is the S35 model. Now they are close. So if you know what the Elementum is, that's the size of the Flashback. Handle, blade, everything. Now, which one feels better? Elementum's one of my favorite knives. You know, this one doesn't have any jipping on top. I kind of wish it did, but you know, it's not the most important thing. You get the flipper tab to kind of lock it in your hand. But this feels really good in hand. You know, right now, I'd say this actually feels better in hand than the Elementum. This feels a little bit thicker. I don't know why. Yeah, it's a little thicker. Not much, but yeah, it feels good in hand. Can't wait to get this in the rotation, carry this, use it. I'm not a real big clip point fan, really. I like drop points, and I'm kind of getting into Warncliffe blades, but well, I like the looks of this. It looks classic, more traditional old style knife. I'm kind of getting into that stuff, with the Finch. Compare the size to that. Finch is just a little bit bigger. Weighs quite a bit, substantially more than the Flashback. Yeah, so be on the lookout for a review on this. Right off the bat, I think I'm gonna like this one. The transition between the backspacer and the scales, can't feel it. No sharp edges anywhere. For a sub $40 knife, this is pretty good. More than pretty good. It's pretty awesome, really. That's breaking in already. See that? It's closing even smoother. Yeah. The only thing, I don't know what 12C27N is like. I'm going to have to use it and find out. I'm sure it's going to be okay. It's got to be better than 8CR13 MOV. OS 8, it's got to be a little better than that. Probably not as good as, I don't have a 14C28N knife out here, but I got several. They hold up good, so if this comes close, that'll be good. But yeah, just a quick unboxing. The Asher Flashback. And be on the lookout for review video. So far, just opening it up, playing with it. I'm digging it. And I guess that's it for this knife right now. As usual, if you liked the video, hit the like button, leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I guess until the next video, bye.